Last week, we covered this once or twice, and I read some of the testimony out loud to our viewers. And I got to say, he's nasty. He's disgusting. He's a freak. He's a
freaky, crazy, sex acts that are unbelievable, absolutely, right? Proof beyond the reasonable doubt, no question about it. Unfortunately, though, for the prosecutors, that's not a crime. You need more than just being a freak in order. It's amazing if you have power, money, wealth, access to power, money, or wealth, how people will do things that they typically would not do in order to be in proximity of those things. A domestic abuser, absolutely.
Oh, yeah, all day long. Nobody did not. We saw the video in the hotel of the one beating he gave her, so we know he's that. He should do time for that, for sure.
Yeah, and this is what the curious piece is like, why? This is typically a state prosecution, the kind of cases that I would have handled when I was the county prosecutor. Aggravated assault, kidnapping, criminal coercion, sexual assault, abuse, absolutely all day, every day. Why was this not brought into state court? And we're seeing this more and more where the feds kind of get involved. And I think us legal analysts and us lawyers sometimes are a little uncomfortable about whether we're putting a square peg in a round hole.
If we're taking, whether they're adults or minors, God forbid they were minors, and it sounds like there may have been some, and you're doing freaky stuff with minors, and then you're pimping them out to your rich and powerful friends, now we've got the trafficking of humans, we've got the racketeering because there was drugs, money, guns. Some of these girlfriends snuck guns into nightclubs for him, allegedly. There was an arson charge in this whole thing too. I mean, there's a lot of other stuff besides, hey, you're a wife beater.
Yeah, I think we have to wait. None of that has really come out right now. And to be honest with you, one of the biggest problems that I have with this case and many of them is that we are not allowed to have courtroom feeds. So like we have to, me and you, have to listen to someone else who's sitting in there tell us about what's being testified to. Today I was listening to people who were in that courtroom who were saying one of the witnesses was very credible and another witness wasn't credible. Now, these are really important things for us as the public and the media to be able to have access to. So this archaic rule that you can't have cameras or a camera feed in the courtroom really hobbles us. But right now, the state, rather the federal cross-state lines or interstate commerce that they have to prove, or the things that you just mentioned, have not yet come out.